56 Zulu weather, wind 290 at 7, visibility 10, ceiling 4,900 broken, temperature 21, dew point 10, altimeter 3019er. Visual approaches are in use, landing departing runway 33. Use caution, numerous birds in the vicinity of the Kissimmee Airport. Advise on orders for contact, give information uniform.
Alright, cruise. I'm not going to lean here, landing light is off. Flight instruments check. Everything looks good, engine instruments check. I switched the tanks to 105, so we're going to wait a little bit on that. Already got my ATIS. And they're landing 3-3.
2,000. 2,000 feet, exit jet 336.
Alright, we're monitoring Orlando approach.
Centurion 22396 at 3,500.
Number 22396, Orlando approach, welcome, good afternoon. Romeo Golf heading 100, contact departure on 124.8, have a good one.
124.8.
Alright, we're 18 miles away.
Romeo Golf.
Number 3613 uniform.
Should be getting there.
7316.
11 minutes.
3613 uniform.
25 Whiskey, clear to Zephyr Hills.
Clear direct to Zephyr Hills, 25 Whiskey.
That's at 336 Kissimmee Airport, set your 11 o'clock and 5 miles.
Yeah, airport side, exit jet 336.
That's at 336, clear visual approach, runway 33 at Kissimmee.
Alright, clear for the visual, runway 33, exit jet 336.
Number 3613 uniforms, radar contact just north of Winter Haven, 3,400, Orlando, altimeter 3018.
3018, 3613 uniform. Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Aim for the sand pits, which is coming up.
Number 229 Delta Romeo, contact Tampa approach on 119.9. Have a good day.
119.9 for 229 Delta Romeo. Thank you.
Kissimmee Tower, Cherokee 154 Echo Romeo over the sand pits with uniform. Full stop.
154 Echo Romeo, Kissimmee Tower, report past the water tower for left base runway 33.
Alright, report the water tower, left base 334 Echo Romeo. Okay, water tower, it's labeled. And we're going to in our initial descent. Alright, approach briefing, we've got that, seatbelts, landing light on, fuel pump on. Fuel selector, we are going to move it to the left. Watch the fuel pressure. We're going to descend down slowly. Alright, landing lights, fuel pump, master mixture, carb heat is off, fuel selector is where I want it to be. Be at the water tower in a minute. Maybe 3. 6. 4 Echo Romeo reporting water tower.
Echo Romeo, runway 33, clear to land.
33, clear to land for Echo Romeo. There's the water tower. Now I'm on an extended base. And we're going to bring that power back. First notch flaps. Make this kind of a tight Tight approach. Second notch of flaps. Third notch. Turn a little early because of the wind. Wind's coming right down the runway, which is actually a little surprising. Must have shifted a little. Good. Get on glide path. There's glide path. Wind a little out to the left now.
Left on Alpha, cross 24, right on Bravo to parking for